What's up? It's July 30th, 9:33. I had to take some time to get this set up, but now we were going to basically have the bot using the new exit that we created yesterday. We're going to have the bot attempt to go on its own all day. We're going to see how it does. It looks like it's already lost some money. Um, I don't have high hopes, honestly, but no, we'll see what happens. Um, I also created this new recording thing, so I don't have to screen record my a monitor all day. Hopefully, this will work better. The idea is I can press this. I actually don't know what you can see. If you could just see the chart, or I'm assuming you could see my whole screen or this whole tab, but I made it so that I can do entries like this, and they're time stamped so that they can be matched to the frame that the recording was started at for the audio recording. And then as the session goes, Claude's going to be making notes in a log that are time stamped to kind of give more context about what's going on, what the bot's doing, and any changes that are being made. And this is killing me. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. But hopefully we'll be break even at this point. But there we go. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this go all day and see what happens. Yeah, so I kind of got addicted and got sucked into this. I made an entry, it didn't go well, and then I couldn't stop. But now that I'm up, I'm going to stop. I'm going to let the bot take over. Um, it looks like the Nasdaq is just going to rebound a bit after the huge sell-off from yesterday. We'll see how well the bot does. I'm noticing that the take profit is a little optimistic for a mean reversion because, like, I like to do scalp. I mean, I guess I do a lot. I do scalping or whatever. I don't know. I got to look into that because I was expecting the take profit to be tighter, but I don't know. Work in progress. But I'm gonna let the bot take over. Hopefully, it doesn't lose a bunch of money. Another bug I'm noticing is that it's not differentiating between the bot's trades and the manual trades. I don't think that's a huge deal. We should just probably get rid of the manual mark because it doesn't mean anything anyways. The manual tally, but well, I guess the manual means I don't know, but yeah, it's just something I noticed. Um, I think we need to retrain the ghost bar, the the transformer that predicts the ghost bars because I don't know. It's just a feeling I have. I don't think it was retrained this morning, and it was trained on yesterday's bars, which were much larger. I think. Actually, I really don't know. My guess is there was more volatility yesterday, so the bars were larger. The whole idea is makes I don't know. What I'm The whole idea is trying to get make money off of noise and then having a catastrophic stop loss at a point where that is not considered noise. Yeah, I don't know. Gotta look into that. So it looks like I still have some changes that need to be made to the exit strategy. It worked really well yesterday after after 12 or 1 p.m. because things were really trending like in the one direction, and that's where the trailing stop really shines. But as you maybe could have seen earlier this morning, it was like for like the first 10 minutes, it was sideways, or like whenever it's sideways, it struggles. And yeah, I don't know. And like right now, like the stop loss isn't ratcheting as fast as I would like. Like, I don't know. I have to look into that. I keep getting sucked into this. So if you're wondering why the chart, I was talking to Talon there. I don't know if my last audio message came through, but if you're wondering why the chart periodically resizes and stuff and like the page seems to refresh, that's because I'm having Claude make modifications on the fly we're doing stuff. Um, I guess my thinking is if I just like stare at this long enough and I tell it to make a ton of fine adjustments over time, we're more likely to get something that works. I don't know. I mean, the bot's making money. I'm making money. Um, I mean, still some bugs to work out. Like a couple trades ago, the distance between the stop loss and the break even was way, way, way greater than that between the take profit and the break even. So um, just just tuning it, I guess, uh, to get like some type of rules. Like My focus is on getting an exit strategy so robust that I can be a monkey on a keyboard and it will still on average make me money. That's my goal. Kind of like what the Roman Corvus did for the Roman Navy. Um, we'll see if it works. I mean, I know it seems to really shine in trending markets. Not so much in sideways markets, but the way it's configured right now, it allows us to be set up for when we have an order open and the price decides to swing in a favorable direction. Or allow things should be set up to where we can capitalize off of those swings. But we'll see. I mean, I guess I'm just gonna be autistically staring at this and modifying it little by little. But we'll see. I mean, we have yet to test it on a truly sideways day. Yeah, so here's an obvious bug here. And the bug isn't that the bot placed a long order, it's that there was a clear trend down and the stop loss wasn't being ratcheted up because, I mean, I guess it might still go up. It might still clear the take profit, but it's unlikely. The trade should have been closed a long time ago. And again, you could see that the distance between the break even and the stop loss, it's like 20 times greater than that between the take profit and the break even, which is obviously not a winning setup. Like, so the reason why I did this is because I keep stressing that we need to place the stop losses outside of noise so we don't get stopped out by noise. And it's working, but sometimes it should be able to look at the price action and determine that, okay, so this isn't noise. This is a clear trend in the wrong direction. We should start trying to reduce our risk. That's what's going on now behind the scenes. But it may still go up, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I'm trying to test the slow mo crash thing. I think the problem is it waits too long. It waits 2 minutes. It should only be waiting like 30 seconds, I'm thinking. the results of this turned out better than what I was expecting. It could have just been a lucky day, I guess 2 days in a row, that the bot is able to, in my exit strategy, is able to make money. And it could be that there's different conditions where it doesn't work all that well, but I guess that's why we're doing this testing and trying to poke holes in it and see if we can get it robust and reliable. But that's all I got for the day. Thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow.